Greetings, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and you are watching the Cardboard Castle YouTube channel. And I've got an unboxing video here for you, and a couple of things you might find interesting, some thoughts. This is a big, beautiful box, a Q6 BSV Amazon box, and it's a bonus when I ordered this self-healing arts and crafts cutting mat. And I love the blue color of this mat. And it's got lines on one side and it's blank on the other side. So this is going to be really nice for me shooting videos. And also I am collaborating with someone on an arts and crafts book. It'll also make a nice background for projects, for pictures for the book. But see, a self-healing mat. And I tested it. I'll show you a little bit of that. But I wanted to say, a couple of things like, I love that box. It's a bonus. A box like that would probably cost you like $5 to $8. So when you get your boxes, make sure you set them aside because they come in handy, especially the large ones like this. It'll be turning up in a project. And I'm also going to save this plastic because you never know when you're going to need something like that for some kind of a arts and crafts project. So I keep boxes of materials, paper towel tubes, all kinds of stuff to use in future projects. And some of them are here on the channel, and I got a lot more coming. I think I'm around 30 videos now, and I got more videos coming. But I just wanted to show you the unboxing and tell you a little bit about the self-healing mat. Like I said, it's lined on one side, and there, I love this blank. And I also ran a little test. I used an X-Acto knife to, cut a line in it, so I could check on it. And I checked on it an hour and a half later, and that ridge, that cut is almost gone. So I'm guessing over time it does disappear, but you can feel the ridge, the cut. And like here, I'll show you. I checked on it again a little bit later in this next segment, and it was almost gone. So maybe it's going to disappear fully, but these cutting mats are wonderful. This one cost me $45 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this video. So more coming.